to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And look at what it is! Whoa, it's a real ice cream truck! And today, you and I are gonna learn about ice cream trucks! Woo! All right, now let's learn the parts of this ice cream truck on the outside. Whoa, it's so colorful. Whoa, and look, there's some ice cream right here. We have a strawberry shortcake, we have an ice cream sandwich, we have a drumstick, and we have a red, white, and blue ice cream. Ooh, look at these. So cool. They're pink rims, so then the ice cream truck can drive around on the street. Ring, ring, ring. Sweet wheels and tires. Ooh, what's this? Huh, it says children slow crossing. It looks like there's lights. Let me show you. Wow. All right, you see this red knob? You pull it out and watch what happens. Whoa! These lights flash orange and the sign comes out from the ice cream truck. So then you know not to get close to the ice cream truck, or at least just be very wary so then you don't get hurt. So we'll keep that out right now. And let me show you something else. Ooh, you see this? This is a switch for music. You hear that music? That means the ice cream truck is coming to you, so then you can get some ice cream. Ooh, and look at right here. Some social media of this exact ice cream truck in Las Vegas, Nevada. Sweet! Oh, and look right here. Look at all these ice cream choices we have. Whoa, this one has the color red, orange, green. Oh, and look at this one. One of my two favorite colors. Orange. Yum! Ooh! A Ninja Turtle. Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. And let's see here. Remember this one? Yeah, it's on the other side too. It's the strawberry shortcake. Yum! Oh, look at this. This is the window that you walk up to. And this is where you order your ice cream from. Huh. Hello? Hello? Wait a second. No one's in here. I have an idea. Maybe you and I can go inside and serve some people some ice cream. Come on. Woo! All right, now let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. But first, we need to turn on the generator. This is what provides power to the freezer. Let's turn it on. Whoa! It's like a mini engine that produces power to keep the freezer really cold. But the freezer's already cold, so we can turn it off. All right, let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. Whoa! The inside of an ice cream truck! So excited! Whoa! This is where the driver of the ice cream truck sits. It's just like a normal vehicle. a steering wheel, a shifter knob, a set of keys. But we're not here for driving. We're here for ice cream. Wow. This big white thing right here, this is the freezer. Let's open it up. Whoa! Look at all this ice cream. All right, let's pick out 5 ice cream bars. Ready? Huh. All right. Okay, got one. One. Ooh. 2. Oh, here's 1. Ooh. 3. Oh, whoa. Oh, over here. 4. All right. And let's see. Here we go. All right. 5. All right. 5. Let's shut this to keep them nice and cold. So right here, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice cream bars. But now we need 3 snacks. Okay. How about some popcorn? 1. How about some chips? 2 snacks. Oh, what else? Oh, yum! All right. 3 snacks. So we have 5 ice cream bars and 3 snacks. 5 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yum! All right, now we need to let everyone know on Twitter and Instagram where we are. All right. Have some ice cream here. Let's pass it out. All right. First we have cotton candy. Who wants cotton candy? Ooh, yum. There you go.
Sit.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. We have an ice cream sandwich.
That's me.
Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And a Hello Kitty. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Enjoy the ice cream.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. That was so much fun learning about this ice cream truck with you. Well, this is the perfect time for the funny fun ice cream song.
Let's make some ice cream that's yummy, yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny, fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. With whipping cream and bananas, please. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Warm and gooey nuts and cherries on top. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Green, red, and yellow yummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Yum!
Ooh, look at what I have. this is some toy clay, and I'm acting like it's ice cream, but it's actually a toy, so be sure not to eat it. All right, see? This is like vanilla ice cream. Yum! And this is like chocolate ice cream. Ooh, and look, we have some ingredients. Ooh, like this? Yeah, some strawberry syrup. Okay, let's take off the cap, and here we go. Yum! Ooh, and look at this one. That's like chocolate syrup. Whoa. Oh, let's put some over here again. All right. Yum, that looks tasty. And what we can put over on the chocolate ice cream is maybe some whipped cream. Yum. Here we go. Oh, that looks tasty. Ooh, look at what we have over here. Some more toy molding clay. I think this deserves a cherry on top. Okay, let's take some off right there. And then squish it, squish, 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 squish. And let's roll it up. Ooh, that looks like a cute cherry. Let's put a little dimple up top. Yeah. All right, let's put it right on the chocolate ice cream. Yum! That looks tasty. But like I said, be sure not to eat it. And this one looks like we have some blue and some orange. Blue and orange, my two favorite colors. Let's make some gummy worms. All right, let's take half of this, orange, roll it out. Okay, ooh, look at that. An orange gummy worm. Put it right on top right here. And then let's take the blue and we'll make another gummy worm and put it right there. All right, roll it out. Ooh, look at that gummy worm. Let's lay it right there. And there we have two tasty looking toy ice creams. Yum! Well, this is the end of this video. It was so much fun learning about the ice cream truck with you and listening, dancing, and singing to the funny fun ice cream song. Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey grown-ups, I think it would be a great idea if you liked my Facebook page. Live show information, behind the scenes, special discounts, even free giveaways. See you there!